Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about our project of Group 2 members, which is Gaudy Howe International Bridge, and our team members are Vijay and Uma Venkata Mahendra Kumar and me, Monica. Now I'm going to explain about the initiation and planning phase of the project. In that, I'm going to discuss about the project objectives, impact, and purpose of the project. And the goal of the project is it boosts the trans-border traffic movement, upsurge trade expediency, and generate more revenue. And the impact of this project will be serves as a degree of comfort not only within the states but also next door to Canada, in that it trims down expedients to transport and boosts economic collaborations. And the governments, local communities, environmental groups, and commercial players play a predominant role as a source of investment and implementation of the sustainability goals. And the purpose of this project is to canvass into adequate input and hence accommodate the opinions and needs fulfilled by all the parties involved in the implementation of this initiative. And the scope of the development of this project is like encompass bridge construction, installation of toll facilities, and elaborate intersection renovations on sites which are located on both sides of the district. The detailing of this project is take time to describe a step-by-step process that covers each aspect of the whole project objectives. When it comes to risk assessment and management, in this process, reconcile possible dangers in the fogging at the very initial stage through conducting thorough assessments. And for strategy as a precautionary measures, the risk must be proactively managed to make certain the risks are administered effectively during the project time phase. And the resource allocation for this planning, correct distribution of financials as well as human potential are very much important. And execution, implement the right tools to maintain a precise timeline and limit unnecessary spending while meeting all objectives. When it comes to comprehensive environmental and regulatory compliance, make sure meeting the whole environmental regulations and standards to lower the negative impact and risk of the being denied approval for international project are of great significance. And we must take the consideration of public and private partnership model too. Combine the strength of the public and private sector organizations in the P3 model, empowers each of them use the benefits of the model. This enables efficiency and sharing risk proportionally. Community engagement and support. At the same time, reaching out to the counselors in an early stage of the project to seek their views and the possibility of cooperation will help in tackling any objections and promote transparency as well. And the advanced technology and innovation used in this project, implement advanced technologies of construction and novel methods of management during the phase to add up to the productivity, reduce the expenditure, and deliver the services with the great quality. Robust financial planning and management. For this project, preparing a detailed financial plan which has funding sources, budget control, and contingency deducting that can only guarantees the proper risk management of the finances. And when it comes to project kickoff and stakeholder alignment, the project will be initiated by a kickoff meeting coordinating the identified goals and their execution by all the parties involved from government, private sector, and community stakeholders as well. And to complete the design and engineering studies, similar to the other phases, the project's design and engineering will be finished by a described date. They meet up with all the safety and mechanism requirements. For the regulatory approvals and permit acquisition, through a scheduled acquisition of all the necessary permits and legal approvals as well as the mitigation of environmental concerns have been mapped out to avoid the risk of being in trouble with the law. And groundbreaking and commencement of construction. Construction milestones. The phase 1 begins when with the groundbreaking. Building activities will be rolled out in sequential order in accordance with the project plan. From here, my team member Uma Venkata will continue.
Hello, Professor, and hello, my teammates. As the semester comes to a close, I wanted to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude for your unwavering support and guidance throughout the term. And Professor, your dedication to teaching and commitment to your students have truly made a significant impact on my learning experience. And coming to this project, let me explain the execution and monitoring controlling. The potential of carrying through due to environmentally unfriendly impact assessment processes and compliance demands, cross-border regulatory risks, complexity of juggling with the both US and Canadian legal and legislative systems can pause the processes with the project. Technical and design risks. Changes in engineering that unscheduled changes in design might add time and cost to the project. This might be a challenging task for both the engineers and the stakeholders. Stakeholders' engagement risks are public apathy or resistance to project being developed from local communities or any required governmental bodies. And also there is financial risks. Possible overspending by the Bureau of varying materials costs as well as unexpected complexities of the project. And coming to risk management, environmental risk mitigation. Enhance environmental studies by implementation in the beginning and operation by monitoring to be compliant and avoid delays. Navigating regulatory complexities. Set up a special unit to deal with cross-border legal issues and the compliance. There is a need to have good relation with foreign countries with the regulatory affairs and ensuring timely compliance. Technical oversight and flexibility in design. Consulate with the technical experts and use the agile design approaches to overcome the issues that may arise when you are unexpected. Proactive stakeholder communication. Consistent proximity of the aforementioned parties via news updates and involvement sessions for the expectations management and building up for the support. Financial planning. Plot out a solid financial plan inclusive of dedicated funds for unforeseen overruns as well as various potential economic risks. And coming to communication samples, critical issue alerts like prompt outreaches through emails as well as SMS alerts that alert project managers and relevant authorities on need to take urgent action. Methods like communicates the new pains for the next appointment by email and phone, and change management notifications like communications in the form of revisions in project scope, overall duration, availability of human and material resources that may impact project objectives as well. And the method presented through an outline that is developed further along with the live conversation. And coming to safety incident reports, reporting including incidents of safety on the site and more important, their impact on the ones affected and measures being taken to avoid future incidents. The common platform for project management which ensures files security along with face-to-face meetings if needed in a timely manner. From now, my teammate Vijay will take over.
Okay, Thank you, Uma, and thank you, Monica. And now we continue with the communication events. Here, as we can see, a table with the event name, purpose, frequency, target audience, and method. We can see that the emergency response alerts, and also along with that, we can see the regulatory update briefings, stakeholder engagement sessions, project progress reports, and also risk management updates. So here we can see those event name and the purpose and frequency along with the target audience and the meta.